Yo, what up, what up? 21st Airborne Squadron. It's your boy C's. And just finished dropping off August at daycare. Now I'm dropping the car back into the garage and taking the bus into the city. I have a couple of meetings this afternoon, so I'm gonna get me a quick little workout, head over to those meetings, and take you guys along for the ride.
Yo, it's on the bottom of my feet.
Nah, man. Honestly.
Yo, cause I got my feet on these niggas' necks right now. Killing them out here. Killing them out here. They not ready for it. They're not ready for. Look, real men wear pink too. You know what I'm saying?
Drip,
Yeah.
drip.
Hey.
Drip or drown?
Look, they weren't ready for it.
They ain't
weren't
ready for it.
Got my, look, I'll let you know it's a good day for a great day though. It's a good day for a great day.
What are you working on today?
I'm working on. So I got a website I gotta finish. You know, you got those things on your to-do list where it's like that is permanently on your to-do list and you just never go away.
Yeah.
Well, I have them highlighted on my to-do list. I'm like, this week, gotta knock it out.
What are the apps you use on your to-do list? You showed me that app before. What was it?
I think it's called Vantage.
Vantage?
Vantage. V-A-N-T-H-E-E. Vantage. It just kind of like just puts everything on one thing. Calendar sync, to-do list, items sync, checklist, all that kind of stuff. So I just use that. But I actually highlighted these 4 items that I gotta get them done this week. So I got this initiative, right? So the date is 4/4/19. April 4th, 2019. Think about that. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 1 9 equals 8. So 8 equals 8, right? So it's called a day of greatness. Create the holiday. It's a holiday.
Oh,
it's
shit.
called the day of greatness. Right?
That's gonna be every
year on 4/4, April 4th. That's gonna be the day of greatness. It's a new holiday. I'm proclaiming it today.
Okay.
4/4. Every year, just know it's a day of greatness. All right. Day of greatness. So on that day, I got my to-do list items. I gotta get them done. And I'm just gonna release everything that's in my head. It's going live on 4/4.
On 4/4.
So if you got anything on your mind that you want to put out to the universe, you gotta put it out on 4/4. If she got any ideas, thoughts, ideas she want to put out there, she gotta put it out on 4/4. Everybody gotta put things out on 4/4.
4/4/19.
4/4. That's the day.
All right, so we got Mike here. He's you guys know him as one of the Project X founding members, and we are just like meeting other minds.
Little brainstorming session.
Brainstorming session. See what we could come up with for our online businesses.
Yep.
So just wanted to give him a quick little introduction. Wait, I introduced you in season 2.
Yep.
So they kind of know you. If you want to learn more about what he's got going on, where can they find you?
A lot of different things. I put out a daily blog called the Fit Hackers Digest, but just Coach Mike Urso pretty much everywhere. On Instagram, on Facebook, CoachMikeUrso.com.
Yeah, and I'm going to give you the link to that daily digest also, and I'll put that in the description below. So let's us get to chatting, and then we'll check back in after. All right, conversation is done. Awesome stuff. I will holler at you once again. And yeah, till the next time, man. All right, so we are headed back to Links. We're headed back to Links to do the class now, our noon class. If you haven't tried it, sign up and join me, because it's one of the best classes in Boston. Not tooting my own horn. That's just what the reviews say, you know what I'm saying? So head over here to the Plaza Hotel in the basement level and get after it. Yo, look. So Crispy here.
That was the car.
She didn't make it. She actually texted me on. You texted me, right?
Yeah, in the morning.
In the morning, told me that she couldn't make it to Monday's class, but she made it to this class. But if you just see exactly what went down, it was crazy.
Yeah, my dog lost his snowshoe out on the sidewalk somewhere, so we're waiting for it to melt so we can go find it.
It's crazy, man. And that was like just the plowers. They just like dig your car even deeper. So
yeah.
And then now it turns into ice.
Yeah. So if people didn't shovel it out, it's all like hard. So I saw someone taking their brush and they're like hammering on their window trying to get snow off yesterday.
Man, I'm lucky to have like a little garage.
Yeah.
But yeah, my snow plow is electric, so I had to constantly just like so it took me a good 45 minutes to get it out and get the driveway clear for me to like back out and stuff. But
hopefully that's our last storm.
I think it is the last one.
Next week is supposed to be warm, I think. So
Let's get it. JP alum right there. Wait, they already met you.
Yeah.
Like she's already in the vlog, but we're gonna get her like more advanced in boxing, and then we're gonna shoot a couple of clips and show you guys her progress and stuff. All right, make a fist. Boom. What we got going on, dog?
Yo, man, I'm doing shoulders today. Boulder shoulders.
Boulder shoulders?
I will be doing back, but you know what I'm saying? I gotta carry the world today. Yo, if I was a rapper, if I could make this shit rhyme, my metaphors would be ridiculous.
Ridiculous, man.
And the metaphor, all you need to do is put an instrumental behind it. Just put an instrumental behind it. But yeah, I'm trying to get this work in. Went out of town, trying to hit the reset button, trying to get it back. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
When you gonna get some?
I already got mine this morning.
Huh?
I already got mine this morning.
Oh, you already got yours this morning?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I ain't trying to give you. I'm trying to give you some dessert. You know, put the cherry on top, man. You know what I'm saying? This is just a dessert. This is light work.
Lightweight.
This is light work. This is dessert.
Lightweight. Let's go. So second meeting fell through, so I'm on my way back home to the crib, eat some lunch, and yeah, get some work done. Because you know, when there's like some sort of unfortunate circumstance, you gotta take the time and opportunity to make the best of it, right? So go and get some more work done at home. All right, although this afternoon's meeting was a dud, I still was able to get a ton of work done. And one of the jobs I was able to get done is my personal favorite, these daily vlogs. I just uploaded my favorite episode to date, and that is Dad's Guide to Bedtime. Like the pure joy in my son's laughter just put a smile on my face. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. That was yesterday's vlog, episode 35. Like his laughter is just so infectious, man. I love that kid. I got to rewatch that episode every time, you know, he gets under my skin to like have me remember him at that age and having that time of his life. Anyway, speaking of son, I'm about to go pick him up from daycare, so let's get to it. Hey, man. Hey. He literally cried over spilt milk. So you guys feel free to insert your jokes down below. Yo, it is cold outside, and we gotta go back to Whole Foods because this little booger is out of milk, man. Ooh.
Insufficient living.
Ooh. Hey, let's go, dog. Dog. Hey. Yo. Dog, let's go. enough. Come on. Hey. Come on. Dude. Come on. Come on. All right. We ride here. Operation Exhaustion starts now. We got about like 15 more minutes, kid. Let's go run some more. Go run, 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 run. Sucker. That's how I stay winning. Night after night after night. You just dunking Bear Bear? Huh? You just dunking Bear Bear? You just gonna dunk Bear Bear like that, dog? I thought he was your homie. Dang. Things was all good just a week ago. Man, another day. Yo, today was very exhausting, man. Tons done though. Kids asleep. Tummy is full. And now it's just unwinding, man. I had a very awesome conversation with Coach Urso today. Every time we sit down and chop it up, we just go into like these very deep metaphysical conversations, man, and it just gets my mind just working. Like, he is a very powerful person, like in his presence. So I'm gonna leave his links down below. I highly advise you to get on his email list and read his articles. And yeah, man, he is one of my mentors, and I'm glad that we had the chance to chop it up. And every occasion that I have, any excuse I have to sit down with this man and chop it up, I'm there. Because before we started this group, before we started the mastermind group, we had the conversation in that same Starbucks. And we were just talking about the possibilities, right? Just imagining the possibilities. Now, a few months later, those possibilities are being realized. Like, the group started, now we started a Facebook group, now we are about to have our very first summit. Link to that summit is down below. So if you find yourself in the Boston area, March 20th, join us. We're going to try to stream it via Facebook Live or YouTube, or I'm going to try to record it as much as I possibly can for this channel with the tools that I have. So just stay tuned for that. But man, it's like the whole purpose of this channel, the whole purpose of these groups is to have our visions gradually be realized, right? And every single day I get to wake up and paint my perfect day using my brush, which is this camera. And I'm slowly working towards building my perfect day. You know, some elements are missing, but day by day is coming. I can taste it. I can smell it, man. I could taste it too. It's in the air, man. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala, man.